Number 9. Komatsu D475A. The Komatsu D475A is an excellent choice for a multi-purpose mining dozer that can go from ripping solid rock to cleaning up near the drag line. It is Komatsu's most giant bulldozer in production and is designed to combine maximum power and speed. It features an 899 horsepower engine and can reach speeds of 11 kilometers per hour. Its fuel tank holds 441 gallons or 1,670 liters of fuel and is utilized for large-scale constructions or mining projects. The D475A has a more reliable mainframe with a design life that is twice as long as earlier versions. This is intended to save maintenance costs and machine downtime. Talk about efficient. Number 8. Shantui Sd90. It is the largest bulldozer ever built in China and is designed to give high power while using little fuel. This dozer is a piece of necessary mechanical equipment for developing mines and water conservancy projects because it can adapt to harsher working environments and do tasks that other middle-sized and smaller-sized equipment cannot. Number 7. Caterpillar D11. This is a bulldozer made in the United States that is built to last and perform well. It features an 850 horsepower engine and a top speed of 14 kilometers per hour. Its fuel tank holds 1,608 liters and is used to work with huge rocks or significant volumes of coal. Advanced technologies are fully incorporated into the dozer, making it one of the first smart dozer machines. Truly tech of the future. Number 6. Zoomlion ZD220. Another Chinese bulldozer built for excellent reliability and long service life. With its electric monitoring system, it lets you see the machine status in real time. Its fuel consumption is modest, and it is utilized in a variety of operations, including road construction. Number 5. Dressta TD-40. This is a bulldozer made in Poland, intended for harsh construction and coal mining tasks. Featuring a 515 horsepower engine, it can also travel 9.3 miles per hour. Its fuel tank can hold 1,360 liters. It also has a cabin with numerous controls and a protective framework against flipping and falling objects. Good luck trying to tip this one over. Number 4. Case 2050M. It's a bulldozer developed in the US to withstand severe stresses on its blade. With a 214 horsepower engine and a top speed of 5.7 miles or 9.3 kilometers per hour, this one also has one of the cleanest cabs in the business, allowing for optimum visibility. Its gasoline tank holds 107 gallons, and its usage and maintenance are low. Number 3. John Deere 1050K. This bulldozer made in the US that is designed to be highly productive and long-lasting is iconic. It features a 350 horsepower engine and a top speed of 6.8 miles or 11 kilometers per hour. Its gasoline tank has a capacity of 180 gallons and it's employed in heavy construction and mining jobs. Number 2. Lugong CLG B320. This is a Chinese bulldozer that delivers high pulling powers. It has a load-sensing hydraulic system that only gives power when required. It features a 349 horsepower engine with a top speed of 8.6 miles or 14 kilometers per hour. Its forward positioning cylinders increase load transport and make it more consistent. And consistency is always key in this business. And at number 1, we have the HBXG SDK. Also hailing from China, this bulldozer is meant to deliver excellent work and efficiency. Featuring a 230 horsepower engine and a top speed of 10 kilometers per hour, its gasoline tank holds 120 gallons and is outfitted with an electrical monitoring system. It can also be equipped with a variety of blades and is used in mining, construction, and oil field work. As you can see, when it comes to bulldozers, size does matter. We hope you enjoyed this video and check out our other recent videos on other amazing military vehicles, machines, and equipment. And please subscribe to our channel with notifications turned on so you never miss any of our uploads. If there are more machines that you want us to feature on the channel, please comment down below and we'll do our best to make one. With that, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!